If you haven't watched the part one was all about what mushroom is and what you need to know about edible and non-edible mushrooms. I promise you that the part two, we will be talking about the nutritional values or benefits of mushrooms. Yes, mushrooms are superfoods, and you need to know about the values that mushrooms bring to us as human beings. Yes, you got to know about that. So, do you know that mushrooms are cholesterol free, fat free, they don't have sodium, and also they have antioxidants properties that helps to reduce cancer cells in the body? I'll be telling you more details on this channel. The first health benefit I would like us to know about is the B vitamins. Do you know that the B vitamins helps to provide energy to break down protein, fats, and carbohydrates in the digestive system? And that is what mushroom brings to us. It helps to make sure that all the foods we take in are properly digested. Another key health benefits of mushroom that I would like you to know about is antioxidants property of mushrooms. Antioxidants, especially selenium, is present in mushrooms that helps to suppress breast cancer growth and also other cancer cells, especially the prostate cancer. Mushrooms are a leading source of an antioxidant called selenium. Seleniums are very powerful in protecting the body against damaged cells and also help in the reproduction of cells in the body. It also helps to boost the immunity of the body. In addition, mushrooms provide another important nutrient or antioxidant called ergothioneine that helps to protect the body from damaged cells. Another key benefit of consuming mushroom is for our hearts. Yes, the potassium, fiber, and vitamin C in mushrooms helps to contribute to healthy cardiovascular activity of the heart. The potassium normally helps to reduce blood pressure, hence helping to reduce blood hypertension. And you know that hypertension can lead to stroke and other difficulties in early or late life. The American Heart Association actually advised that we stop taking a lot of salt and rather take in a lot of potassium, which of course is one of the key health benefits of consuming mushrooms. According to current guidelines, people are expected to take in about 4,700 milligrams of potassium daily, of which mushrooms is on the American Heart Association list of the foods that should be consumed daily. Pregnant women are always advised to take in folic acid or folate to protect and boost fetal development to prevent abnormalities. It is therefore advised that pregnant women should always sought for some level of mushrooms in their diet to protect the unborn baby. So we've realized that mushrooms contain these key vitamins and minerals. We can talk of the B vitamins, B2, B3, folate, B6. We can talk of copper, phosphorus, selenium, and potassium. It is great to take mushrooms as they provide both nutritious and medicinal values. Remember that taking mushrooms is an essential part of keeping healthy. Thank you so much for joining the part 2 of getting to know all about mushrooms, where we talk about some of the key nutritional values of mushrooms. In the part 3, we will be talking about the medicinal values of some of the key mushroom types that we have across the world. I will be very much happy to see you in my next video. If you haven't subscribed yet, remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to be the first to know about the medicinal values of consuming mushrooms.